Hello everyone, welcome to Cubing United's first ever video that isn't an introduction. My name is Jack, and today I'm going to be looking at some cool F2L like insertions into the back. Yeah, hopefully it's a good video. So here we have the case. So this needs to go into here, so we can do this like normal to insert it, but that needs a rotation. If you're starting from here, you need to do that. So instead what you can do is you can do wide F, R prime, F, wide F prime. So that inserts it into there, and yeah. You can also do it when it's split. You do wide F, R, and then wide F prime. So then that's in there. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that. And yeah, thanks and see ya.